Okay. Good morning, dear students. Let us try to do one more question related to the electrostatics. The question is, find the charge on each spherical shell after joining the innermost shell and the outermost shell via conducting wire. Also find the charges on that one. We need to calculate the charge on each of this one. It's telling that after joining the innermost shell and the outer shell, that means this is the innermost shell and this is connected to the outermost shell like this. Okay, by a conducting wire. So we need to find the charges on each of the surfaces. Now see, for example, let the charge on the innermost sphere is, say, for example, of your x. I don't know, I'm assuming it to be some example f your x. So let me talk about right now here, right? The charges given are how much for me? Q minus Q, phi Q before connecting. After connecting, what will be the condition? So what I'm doing is, let the charge on innermost sphere is x, like this. On this one, it is, say, for example, x. Okay. Then final potential of the shell 1 must be equal to the potential of shell 3 now, because they are connected by the conducting wave. So I can say that potential of shell 1 must be equal to potential of shell 3, isn't it? So let me talk about the potential of the shell 1 k into your x divided by your r plus k into the charge on this one is minus 2q divided by your 2r plus potential k is some constant into your, this will be your 6 cube minus of your x divided by your 3r. Okay, why I've taken 6 cube means on outer part the total charge is 5 cube and it is always conserved. So something, if I'm doing that minus, it should be again 5 cube right now for me, isn't it? It is a potential on your shell 1 that must be equal to, the potential due to the shell 3. Due to the shell 3, if I'm writing, it is because of its own part, that is k into q divided by your 3r plus of your k into your minus of your 2q divided by your 3r plus of your k into your, this is 5 into q divided by your 3r. Okay. Now see, simplify these conditions and see what is the answer. I can get it right now from this one. What all can get cancelled in this one, beta? K by r, k by r, k by r. And here also k by r, k by r, and k by r. So if I write here, this one is your x plus this is minus 2 cube divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Plus this one is your 6 cube minus of your x divided by 3 is equals to q divided by 3 plus minus 2 cube divided by 3 plus this is 5 cube divided by 3. Done. Sure. Let's simplify this. Yeah, this 2 and this 2 here also will get cancelled. So if I take this 3 here, this will become for me 3x minus of your 3 cube, because plus minus minus, plus this will be equal to your this will be your 6 cube minus of your x, because you're multiplying dividing now. So that will be equal to your, this will be equal to your minus of your x plus 3. Everything is gone right now for this one. This will become for me how much for me? 4 into your cube. Clear? Sure. So from this one, if I write the relation x and x part of relation, see how much I'm getting right now. This one. See how much I'm getting, beta. ये 3x है minus x है, यहाँ से आ जाएगा 2x, so 2x will be equal to q and x value will be equal to q by 2. So x की value हो गई q by 2. So therefore I can say that charge on innermost shell will be equal to q by 2 and charge on outermost shell will be equal to how much, beta? Charge on outermost shell will be equal to 5 cube divided by, और मिडिल शेल पे कितना रहेगा, मिडिल शेल पे रह जाएगा -2. डन. फाइंड द चार्जेस ऑन ईच शेल आफ्टर कनेक्टिंग. तो क्या चार्जेस हो जाएंगे, देखो बेटा, अगर मैं इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर रहा हूँ, शेप्स ले लेता हूँ. अल्टीमेटली दिस इज वन बिगर शेल, this is your another shell, और this is your another shell. ठीक है, और इस पे चार्जेस आ जाएंगे. इनरमोस्ट शेल पे कितना आया था, क्यूबाइट. इसका ऑपोजिट इंड्यूस होगा -क्यूबाइट. तो यहाँ पर कितना आ जाएगा, -2 क्यू/2, -2 क्यू था, उसके साथ +क्यू/2, यानी ये हो जाएगा -3 क्यू/2, और यहाँ पर हो जाएगा +3 क्यू/2, और यहाँ पर हो जाएगा चार्ज. क्लियर. चल ठीक है.